What does a good tune-up maintenance session include? Cleaning evaporator coils, condenser coils, checking refrigerant levels and adjusting the refrigerant balance, tightening electrical connections, checking the blower motor and belts are very important. The blower is what blows air inside your system. Inspecting and cleaning the drains, pans, and filters. In El Centro, where heat and dust are constant, systems get stressed. Air Conditioning Guys offers tune-up services there to catch problems early. In Chula Vista, many HVAC companies emphasize preventive service and ductwork repair as well. So those are important factors. Regular maintenance can prevent small issues from turning into big breakdowns.